Hi everybody, and welcome to MR Travels.
Hi.
So this week we are in Hamsterley Forest, and it is nearly 15-kilometre trail that we're doing, which is about 9 miles. But I'll be documenting a few things along the way, as promised in the last video, and I'll be showing you exactly what we're doing. But down here in Hamsterley Forest there's about, I think there was 3 different trails. On this one that we're taking, it says on the app that I'm using that it is just short of 4 hours. So we'll see how long it takes us to do it. So on this trail, it's not very difficult. There is quite a little bits of incline up and down. But the majority of it, once you've climbed up a little bit on the incline, it's a lot flatter, which is quite an easy walk. But the purpose of these videos is just documenting our journey and letting people see the other side to life, instead of just being stuck in the council estates or stuck in the cities, stuck in places where your mind is just consumed with negative energy. But when you get out places like this and it opens up your mind, makes you feel a whole lot better. What would you say, Hen?
Definitely does, and it costs nothing.
Exactly. So we're 5 kilometres in. We've been walking for just over an hour, but like I mentioned, this trail's quite easy. A lot of it is flat. There is a lot up and down, but what's it like for you, missus?
Oh, I've been loving it. Absolutely loving it.
So Michaela's been hiking for 4 weeks now. This is our 4th week. Just started getting into it, and she's absolutely loving it, aren't you?
Didn't think I'd like the outdoors, I didn't like the cold, but I'm loving it. What you doing for?
No. Watching them drop their the camera.
I'll take a little there. The living
Oh,
thing,
no.
huh?
So we're on looking for the waterfall, and I'm sure
We can hear
I can
it.
hear it getting a bit louder up this way. Because I'm wanting to do a little bit of cold water therapy, so hopefully
I'm not
you'll be
going
seeing
in.
that soon. But who's not going in?
I'm not going in. No way am I going in.
Just me. I've brought me towel, spare pair of boxes,
I'll video him.
bit of cold water therapy. Can't beat it.
Whoa.
I'm quite warm off this trek, right? This hiking or walk. So a nice bit of cold, freezing water to cool us down. Ready for the next
I
bit.
don't know how you're hot. It's chilly, isn't it?
I'm a lot bigger, aren't I? Oh, it's not that one, by the way.
Get in. Looks like not.
So we're quite high up here. Look back there.
How's it breaking now? We really open it up.
So it's definitely in this a necessity to have your hiking boots. Oh, them little bits of rocks, because if you had trainers on it would hurt your feet, that. And to think this is 30-minute drive away from where we live. Hey up, Eddie! Two waterfalls in there. There's a lot of trees went over, must have been with that wind the other night when it was wicked. A little bit incline here at the end. Well, it's not the end, it's halfway, but you get up here and then you do a loop, head back. We've been walking for 1 hour 45 minutes. And we're still going strong, and I still haven't found this waterfall. I've seen a couple, but it's not the ones that I've seen on the photos previously. Because I'm itching to get in that water, even though it's freezing. I want to get in, revitalise us, ready for the next part of the hike back.
Look at all them walls, snapped.
I haven't snapped, they've been cut down, them ones.
Them ones that flew over, them ones must have. Oh.
The ones at the bottom have, but these ones, if you have a look, they've been cut. So this is nearly at the halfway point. It's starting to get a bit clearer now, but bright.
Windy.
It's windy.
Getting worse, isn't it?
It's because we're at the highest point.
They definitely were snapping.
You can see where they've all been cut.
Oh.
Oh, up. Wind's getting up there.
Pretty well.
But as you can
Off the Wizard of Oz. Don't get too close again.
Turn our back that way. Like I said, this is the halfway point for the trail, but if you did want to keep going further, as you can see, you can go up over the moors there, but I wouldn't really advise it if you don't know where you're going, because you'll end up getting lost. And that's why I'm doing it.
Nah, too windy now at all. Too windy.
Oh, to be honest, that.
I know, it's not mine.
3.5 hours later,
Bad
feet,
toes.
feet are absolutely killing.
Oh, I've got blisters.
Blisters. It was just meant to be an easy one, this. It has been quite, it's been alright. We're not knackered, which means tired in Geordie language. We're not tired,
But the feet's hurting.
but the feet is definitely hurting. I think because a lot of this road, as you can see, is concrete pavement, and it does hurt your feet. Obviously when you got your boots on and you're off-roading, it's not so bad when you're out walking on grass and stuff where the ground is soft. But it's definitely been a good hike, a good trail. Apart from, I've never found the waterfall yet.
Dying to get in a puddle now.
But there's still time. We've got 15 minutes left according to the app. And I'm still on the lookout for a bit of water.
Take a picture. Eventually found it.
So that's the end of the trail. It took us 3 hours 40 minutes. It's been a good one, but there's a little waterfall there. It's not very deep. Unfortunately, I can't do my cold water therapy because I'm not going to go and lie, and that's it's only about a foot deep.
Do it on Monday.
But keep watching. I'm going to be uploading a video at the seaside. Take care, people.